Anytime I call your name, you they answer me. So I trust your ways. You are full of grace. Mighty are your ways. For me, I know they want because you gave my side. I know they ever fear because you gave my side. So me, I know they want because you gave my side. I know they ever fear because you gave my side. Case, you never ever leave me lonely. Every single day, you keep guiding me, showing me the way, the way you look after me.
Yo, 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 what's up, gang? Sup, Sing? What's up, Andrea? How you guys doing? Drop the energies in the chat, gang. Let's go. Good morning, everybody.
Few meters in the water, with the waves pulling me deeper and deeper below. The ocean's getting louder, and the air's escaping as I hear the billows roll. I hear, how did I end up here? feel stuck cause you hold me. You keep me from falling. Storms raging, no matter cause I know that you're with me. I'm hidden under the wings of your spirit. In you there is no fear. Only faith lives in here. Lord, in your secret place I dwell. You're the reason why I'm alive today. Lord, I owe it all to you. There are times I never thought I'd see the light of day, but you came to my rescue. You're the reason why I am alive. There would be no me without you. You're the reason why I am alive. I know I can count on you. You made me just like you. Every step I take in your shoes. That is why I know feet tired. I know feet retire. Apple of your eye, best of your design. Yeah. For your purpose, yes, you created me. For your purpose, that is why I exist. Wonderfully, beautifully made. Wonderfully, in your own image. Wonderfully, Lord, my life you separate for your glory. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Spirit in me makes me complete. Makes me complete. Makes me complete. Spirit in me makes me complete. Makes me complete. Makes me complete. I can go the distance with your assistance. I know I can, know I can. I know I can, know I can. I can go the distance with your assistance. I know I can, know I can. I know I can, know I can. I will keep second guessing myself when you put me on the spot that I dwell. Made in your image, I'm a bone. Let me hear you say bone. Not by might, by your power in my life. The spirit is leading, the spirit is breathing, moving on my mind. Wonderfully, beautifully made. Wonderfully, in your own image. Wonderfully, Lord, my life you separate for your glory. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Spirit in me makes me complete. Makes me complete. Makes me complete. Makes me complete. Spirit in me makes me complete. Makes me complete. Makes me complete. Makes me complete. I can go the distance with your assistance. I know I can, know I can. I know I can, know I can. I can go the distance with your assistance. I know I can, know I can. I know I can, know I can. Lady, come with oil.
Yeah. First giving honor to God, to Miss Carol who had first brought me and my moms, to the church where I know I ain't been in so long. I just pray that when I call, they still pick up the phone. Yeah. With judgment coming from all angles, I never defend myself for approval from strangers when they don't give a damn about my kids. Since you ain't gotta pray for me, just pray for them. And And pray for my mama, pray for my sis. We miss my granny, we need her at times like this. To think I prayed for the world to be back open, just to lose both of my grandparents to COVID. And pray for every one of my little cousins, who was really more like sisters and brothers. I gotta thank them for sharing their dad, cause growing up he was really all that I had. You know, growing up at a young age, my pops got deported to Jamaica. And my uncle stepped up and was the father I never had. So when I say like, gotta thank my little cousins for sharing their dad, they really shared their dad with me. He was the father figure I never had. And he really part of the reason why I am the way I am today. And why I'm a success.
Yo, what's up, chat? What's up? What's up? Good morning. Good morning. How you guys doing? Good morning. How you guys doing? Good morning, everybody.
So pray for me, pray for YG, pray for PC,
Pray for me.
pray for Reem, Ace Jade and Clean, India and Ty, forever be the squad. Gotta pray for Teddy, gotta pray for Lays. Big S and Lil S, I love them both the same. They're a big part of the reason why I didn't bang. And that's a big part of why
What's up, John? How you doing?
so pray for me.
What's up, Andrew? What's up, Sing? How you guys doing? Drop the energies in the chat.
Body rocking the 10 summers chain.
Drop the bomb. Drop the bomb.
You know, it's a lot of homies I ain't naming shit, man. Pray for B-Way, the real childhood friend. Pray for Noah, my assistant, man. Pray for Shako, the handicapped foodie. Pray for my engineer, David. We've been in this motherfucker day in, day out, blood, sweat, and tears for 5 years. Pray for my niggas, Data and Glove, man. Them niggas kept us safe so many motherfucking nights. Pray for my nigga Uno, too, man. You know, I can't do this shit without thanking that nigga K-Dot.
Yeah, energies in the chat.
Number one right before the album drop. I ain't even need no rollout. So you gotta pray for him. Pray for Auntie Diane, Roddy, and Kiefer too. And last but definitely not least, you gotta pray for all my kids, Kai, Connor, Cody. Most definitely gotta pray.
All right, all right. Excuse me. We good, we good. Morning, Philip. How you doing? All right. Consolidating. Damn. Oh, damn. Today is Friday, gang. We have news today. Oh, we have PCE price index. Yeah, Monday. 30 bank holiday. NFP, okay. Okay. Chat. Today we're just moving around here on price. Damn, that was 230 pip range. Inside bar. Oh. All right, gang. Let me do the top down here. Top down analysis. Let's start with the weekly because the weekly is about to close in 13 hours. So the weekly, okay, there's the problem the weekly here has no bottom wick, right? And we know that we have move around here, breakout, move crazy here. And yeah, I believe the weekly candle can close bullish, so there is a high chance that we can close probably today like this, right? There is a high chance, okay? And then the next week candle, probably we can grab orders top wick to move down, re-break the previous candle low there. It's gonna be nice, right? But the weekly, I believe, yeah, will probably highly likely will close bullish this weekly candle. The daily, okay, the daily here is start to hover around here on price. So as you can see, we have resistance here. There's no candle that re-break the previous candle high there. As you can see, didn't re-break this. So there is a high chance that we can, push down even further on the next candle, like next week candle, because the resistance has been formed there. As you can see, respect the 376 or 3755 area on price, and we have the levels that created here too, right? This is the overall range on the daily time frame. We have 280 pip range or 230 pip range. All right, resistance has been formed, support has been formed. So, and as you can see, the candle, the daily candle starting to move up. And right now, we're trying to move down again. Let's see what will happen today. The 4 hour here. So the 4 hour. So normally, as you can see here, right now it's consolidating. The daily time frame is consolidating. What happened here is, right, if we're gonna remove this chart here, and as you can see how the candles print side by side again, resistance, support, right, and the same scenario like right now on price. So consolidating volume again, volume will come and then push up here, create a new support and push up. It's creating a structure, higher highs and higher lows. All right, on the daily. So the 4 here, as you can see, we have consolidating on the 4, this one, but the resistance is this one. This is the daily resistance. All right, the daily support. Now, any close below here, any close on the 4 hour time frame, 4 hour candle can close below, man, 80% it's gonna move down. Why? Because we have clean traffic on price, and if we have volume, man, the price should move down here. All right, the price should move down. So yeah, that's it. And yeah, if there's a lot of volume, and you don't have any setup, man, you don't need to have FOMO. Okay, you need to wait for the next best trades possible. So 1 hour is the same thing here. We're just consolidating here around on price. 1 hour time frame, resistance been made here, support has been made here, respecting. And the 1530, it looks the same. As you can see, the range is getting small, right? If you are trend line trader, I believe you're following like this and like this. What's that? Like this, right? As you can see, the range is getting small. So I don't know what's that, but yeah. Let's see here. Damn. Support. Probably I'm gonna put this as my support. Ranging market once again here, gang. All right, July, August gonna be, if you start trading within July, August, September, I'm very sorry, chat, but man, it's pretty tough price action. Pretty tough. Chat, make sure you drop some likes here, all right? Drop some likes, subs to the channel. Shout out to 17 viewers right now. If you have any questions, gang, let me know. Drop it in the chat. Oh man. The YouTube live stream is in algorithm YouTube right now. That would be interesting. Interesting. And if we reach 1K, yeah. That was nice. 1K subs. Consolidating. When price stops in, how many pip this range? 90 pip. That's nice here. Oh, yeah. Let's see here, gang. So we have range that like consolidating here on price like this, right? So we need this. So this probably that's the one. So it's okay for me to take a sell on 3752 once you tap in there. Once you tap in, yeah, we're gonna probably take some cells or we're gonna use 30. Yeah, this looks the same. We can put the stops above here. 30 pip or like this. Yeah, 35 pip looks nice, looks good. We need to wait for the price to top in. The 1 hour is about to close. Excuse me. Groovy, how you doing? Good morning. How you doing? Shout out to 18 viewers right now. Chat, the scenario here is possible sells on the 3752, all right? Possible sells here. That was 1 hour 30 minutes to resistance play. So let's see. It's gonna be interesting once you tap here. Tap in, tap in. Look at the 4 hour candle look like this. Can you look at that? Ugly again, working looking very choppy. Yeah, it's choppy. Yeah, it's choppy. It's choppy range is normal, normal, right? In the gold market. And if you're gonna look on this structures looks the same, right? How many candles? 4 days or 5 days consolidating. Right now we are in 4 days consolidating here. But we're gonna look on perspective when we have a clean traffic going down and clean traffic going up. That's the advantage, right? We are not a swing trader. We are not a position trader. Why we gonna worry about choppy range, choppy market when we have a clean range going down, when we have a clean range going up? Volume kind of slow today. I'm observe the price, the price move yesterday, man. Nothing here. Nothing. We got some breakout here. We have news, right? We got news positive $1, and we just hover around here on price. As you can see, just man, ooh, it's really hard to trade this like kind of break structure because you don't know where's the price gonna head. There's no directions. Yeah, price move down, okay? And you have support here, you have levels here, man. It's really hard to take a sell because you don't have clean traffic going down, right? That's why I call it a day, no trade yesterday. It's okay. How many trades I took this week? Man, only one trade, chat. Monday 22. Yeah, no trade for me on Monday. No trade for me on the Tuesday. No trade for me. Do we have trade Wednesday? I don't have trade yesterday. Today, let's see. Right? And being a trader, we are showing up every single day, like hunt a trade. We're hunting a trade. But if there's no any setup here, we don't need to force any trade, right? You're not gonna make millions in one trade, bro. We're not gonna make a lot of money in one trade. If you are in this space already, gang, if you are like if you are in the position that you let's say you're going to like break even pace, or you're going through like in profitable stage already, so you are not gonna like you're not going to be excited once the market open. For me, I feel that right now I'm not excited to take a trade when the market's open. Why? Because I have the system already. I following my plan every single day. I follow the routine every single day, right? Because in trading, it's not all about making money. It's all about how you're gonna consistent following your rules, following your trading plan, right? And for me, as a trader, we need to adapt to the market. It's not every single day we're gonna take a trade. We're gonna force some trade, man. No, right? You need to understand trading is all about probabilities, and if you don't have probabilities, you don't have edge to the market. Basically, you're gambling, right? So yeah, man. Don't take every single day. Don't take any trade. Don't force any trade every single day, bro. Don't over trade. Don't over risk. Take 1 to 2 trades a day, right? Practice to take 1 to 2 trades a day, okay? And then give yourself a time at least 3 to 6 months following those things, 1 to 2 trades a day, and you're gonna be good. Morning, bro. Joseph, how you doing? And if you feel that the same way, chat, man, congratulations, gang. Congratulations if you feel that the same way right now, that you don't care about if the market moves, but you don't care, right? All right, gang. We are moving up here. Okay, chap. 3752, it's gonna be a sell here for me. Locked in here, locked in. I want to see 3752 been top right now. I want to see that. Once you top that, it's gonna be nice. It's gonna be nice, 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 nice. Oh, what are reactions there on the dot? 3751. 3751, gang. Re-break the high and push up top 3752. That would be nice. And stops gonna be 24 or 35 pip stops either. Right? Because if this candle, once we tap this area and then didn't react, there's a high chance that we can re-break the high there on 3754 and then push down. All right. Let's see here, gang. Re-break the high one more time and then we're gonna be in trade. All right, gang. Taking sell here right now as we plan. Taking sell here. Taking sell. Resistance play. Stop loss gonna be I would say 35 pips here. 35 pip stops and the full TP probably below the support here 3741 and probably gonna manage the trade once you push down here. Probably moving stops to break even. Yeah. On this low. Let's see if we're gonna move. I see 5 pips in profit, but didn't manage. Let's see if we're gonna move. If we're gonna push down. Push down, my friend. Oh, damn. Mm. 5 minutes close, no top wick. Oh, nice. That's nice. Nice reactions here in the 5. No top wick. Now, can we move down here? Can we move down? All right, gang. Gonna close half of the position here, chat, and moving stops to break even as we plan. And that's gonna be nice, man. Pretty nice, bro. Moving stops to break even. I close partials there ready. And yeah, let it run towards to the downside here. W's in the chat. Damn. No drawdown here, gang. Holy smokes in the chat. Oh. Can you look at that trade, gang? How beautiful this trade. Holy smokes. Can you look at that? Can you look at the reactions, bro? All right, close full right here, chat. 20 pips. W is in the chat, gang. I close pull at 20 pips. Whew. That was clean. Holy. That was clean. Look at that move, bro. Look at that top pin resistance area as we plan. Damn, look at the reactions on the 30 minutes and the 1 hour time frame here, bro. Holy smokes. Damn, look at the how we read this price actions here right now. W's in the chat, gang. W's in the chat. If you got the trade, I got 20 pips there. And if you're still holding the trade, you can move your stops to break even. You can manage your risk right now. Whatever you do, we got the dubs already. We got the dubs. Man, too many people are dipping off after the trade. It's okay. Beautiful trade today, gang. Beautiful trade today. Wow. Sells plus 20 pips. $84 wins. That was nice, bro. That was really nice trade. Everybody, man. 20 pips. 20 pips. 20 pips. 1%. That 30 minutes resistance area. Weak entries. Resistance area sell. And gold London. 12 12 p.m. I mean, it's not 12 p.m. It's like 12:05 p.m. Yeah, 12:05 p.m. But it's okay. 26 2025. Oh, that's nice. Alex K, hey mate, how nice trade this guy. Ooh. Late to the stream because of work, but good afternoon, everyone. It's okay, gang. That's, sometimes we got the trades early, sometimes we got the trades late. Depends on what the market brings us. It's okay. W trade to the people that got the trade. That's a good trade, man. That's the good trade. Good idea here, good read, right? So we have structure. So this is the idea, right? We have structure, as you can see. Support has been formed, make a resistance. Now we retest that support, and then now we go up. Now we need to take a sell here because we know the fact that we are ranging for today. Okay, that's the advantage that we need to take onto the market, right? Good idea there, gang. Good idea there, chat. Work, what is work? Nice one. It's all good. Don't need everything. That's though. Nice, 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 nice. Thank you, Alex. W analysis as always. W nice. Greetings from Bali. Wow. Shout out to Jagna. Jagna, how you doing? W. It almost hit my TP2. Wow, man. Philip, bro, you are the sniper here, gang. You came early. I hop onto the chart. We took the trade. Bro, you are the real sniper here, gang. Chat. Philip is the real sniper here, man. Then after that, he gonna go back to work again. Never get late. Through that, shout out to 30 viewers right now. If you guys are late in the stream, welcome into the live stream. We got the trades already. You know, it's okay, gang. Let's see if we're gonna grab some trades again one more time here. It's still early here. Still early. 12:17 p.m. Yeah, it's still early. Let's see. Yeah, make sure you like and subscribe to your chat. Like and subs to the channel, gang. Support the channel. P- I can call Philip like an eagle eye. Cause when I'm taking trade, he's taking trade too, man. How this guy is be consist showing up every single day in the live stream, bro? He always wakes up in the morning. Like I've seen this guy wakes up in 8 a.m., 9 a.m. in the morning, and yeah, he's very fast. He's very fast. Yeah, that's why I call him Eagle Eye. Eagle guy. He's very fast. He's very fast catching his piece of pie. Damn, that was nice trade, chat. That was a nice trade. 32 pip. We picked 32 pips. Chat, if you have any questions, all right, let me know. Drop it in the chat. Let me know, gang, if you have any questions. Oh, we pick around. Oh, yeah, gang, we pick big one here. We pick 45 pip, not 32. Yeah. This 5 gonna move down. Yeah, move 46 pip. 45 pip we pick. That's nice. That was nice. Most of your trade you quickly exit or you do trailing as well. So most of my trade, okay, I close half of the position that I know the price gonna react. And then I'm gonna move stops to break even automatically. Once I close half, the price should move to break even and then let it run. And then if I'm happy with 20, 25 pips, I am gonna close the trade. And that's it. If you are like I'd say 3 to 6 months in trading, Joseph, find the strategy that gonna works with you. I mean, I believe all the strategy is really working. All right. The question is how you gonna work with those strategy, right? You need to find your edge on those strategy, right? For me, I found my edge here because it's really working. It's all about how you work with that strategy and be patient. Because you can swing the trade, right? You can chase a lot of pips, right? You can swing a trade, you can do session trade like me, or you can do whatever you want. Like, but the main question is how you gonna work with that strategy. So yeah. S- Chat, one more like for 800 subs here. One more subs for 800 subs. Let's go. Let's go. So in this case, gang, as you can see, we move down here, right? We move down. We pick 45 pips. So in this case here, I'm not gonna re-enter here on 3752. Why? Because we moved down. Now we're retesting again here. If this candle didn't react here right now, there's a high chance that we can move up here. Like this. Right? That's why it's, taking sales there is short term because we're not bearish for the day. We're just gonna take the session trades that the market shows up to us. One more subs, gang, for 800 subs. Let's go. So look at this chat on my journal. I took only what do you guess 2 trades this week, right? Let's see if we're gonna take trades later tonight on NY session. But I'm happy with this trade already. If there's setup later tonight, yeah, I'm gonna lower my risk there. I'm up 26 pip this month. Yeah, we still have 2 trading days to end of the month. The 4 hour moving up. Okay, so technically this area is gonna be tough. And look at this, how the candles stop in here. Candle stop, move up, Candles top in, move up, top in, move up, top in, move up. Respecting 3732. Chat, if you have any questions in your mind right now, drop it in the chat. It's 6:30 p.m. here. God bless. W Alex. See you next week. W. I'm reactions again. Wow. Reactions. That was nice. That was nice reactions. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. Mhm. Do, 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 do. What is your next plan to take the next trade? Can you explain what condition you take it and the reason for it? Um, so the next trade, I don't know if we're gonna get the next trade here, but probably if you wanna take trade, okay, wait for the candle to close. Like we are topping resistance, right? As you can see, we're topping the resistance, the levels that we need to be aware of. Okay, so technically those resistance sell is gonna be invalid because right now we move down. So this is gonna be the move that we got. Okay, as you can see, we have retest here again, and the price didn't react to flip heavy. So this resistance area is gonna invalidate the cells because as you can see, we have retest again here. So there is a high chance that we can move up here. That's the 30 minutes candle open, right? This is the 30 minutes candle open. Can move up, can rip. Okay, but you need to wait right now. If you want to take a sell, we need to wait for the candle to close back in the range. Once this candle form, yes, we can have a sell on the next, you know, 15 minutes candle to move down, retest the low here. This is gonna be the idea. And this is gonna be the idea. Then stop loss is gonna be up here probably or here. Then let it run towards to the downside. Take profit when you're happy. And that's it. Right now, it's all about waiting time here because we retest again second time here. Now we move up, retest first time. That you need to take a trades on that top. Once the candle top, because like as we speak, as we plan here, this is the move. Top in, create a resistance, the support. Even though didn't push through here, it's okay. We create some support levels right here, right? We have some support levels, and yeah, price top in. Now we're retesting the resistance. First time retesting the resistance, you need to take a seller after top to move down. Now, if you want to take buy, you need to wait for candle to top 3741 to take buy. That's how you're going to play with the range, right? But you need to wait for the candles to top the price, then take sell. So that's the advantage there. Because we expect this is the first top, right? And as you can see, once the candle top here, boom, hovering around, and I believe this candle flip, and then probably you see this candle close like this. And then if you wanna take more grabbing cells, you need to push this candle need to push down. And as you can see, the candles are retesting again resistance. So that mean is we gonna move up. Then as you can see, close like this. Now as you can see, we retesting again. We're trying to move up. So that's how you read price action. That's how you read candles, where the candle's gonna move. Right? So yeah, but this resistance area is gonna be tough too. So you need closure. Once the candle close, there's a high chance that we can move up. Only one candle close there and then can move up. So if you get 50 minutes candle closing above 3752, would it invalidate your move down? Yes, it invalidate your move down because there's a candle close above the range, right? This is the overall range. This is your range 1, right? Range 1, and then once the candle close above, it's going to be range 2. So it's okay, right? Candle close above. You're not going to take buy. Now, if you want to take sell, you need candle close back in the range. So once this candle close back in the range, now you're good for sell. Fake out candle. This is going to be the fake out candle to move down even further. Right? Makes sense? Does make sense. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. We're good, gang. We're good. We're good on the scenarios. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, dun, dun. Doo-doo-doo. Dun, 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 dun. 30, 15 is gonna close in 2 minutes. Damn. Look at that. We are moving up again. Oh, we're 800 subs, 801. Thank you guys, man. Thank you, chat. Thank you, gang. 801 subs. We are near 1K subs, dog. We are near 1K subs. We're gonna reach 1K subs. Hopefully next month. Hopefully next month. All right, candle close above the range here. So now here, chat. If you want to take sell here, you need to wait for candle to close below. Probably like this is really good. Once the candle close below, or this candle should be fine here. Back in the range and then take sell. That's gonna be the idea there. Yeah, because on the 30, right? This is gonna be I always expect that once the candle moving up, you always expect that you need to re-break this high, right? As you can see, re-break the high there. Now you're gonna wait for candle to close back in the range on the 15. This should be fine to move down. Once this candle close back in the range 3752 area, man, on the next open of the candle, you can grab some sells because that's the hourly open, that's the 30 minutes open, that's the 4 hour open, and will give you a lot of volume when the candle open. All right, so yeah, man, chat. Thank you guys for tuning in to the live stream. I'm gonna call it a day now, and yeah, I'm gonna see you guys next week, right? Thank you guys for tuning in to the live stream, and love and wisdom to you all, chat. See you guys next week. Happy weekend, everybody. I'm out here. Peace and love.
So I packed it up and brought it back to the crib. Just a little something, show you how we live. Everybody want it, but it ain't that serious. That's that shit. So if you gon' do it just like this. Did you realize that you are a champion? You don't see just how wild the crowd is. You don't see just how fly my style is. I don't see why I need a stylist. When I shot so much, I can speak Italian. I don't know, I just want it better for my kids. And I ain't saying we was from the projects, but every time I wanna lay away or deposit, my dad'd say when you see close your eyelids. We was sorta like Will Smith and his son. In the movie, I ain't talking about the rich ones. Cause every summer, he'd get some brand new hairbrain scheme to get rich from. And I don't know what he did for dope, but he'd send me back to school with a new wardrobe. And I think he did when he packed it up and brought it back to the crib. Just a little something, show you how we live. Everything I wanted, man, it seems so serious. That's that shit. So if you gon' do it just like this. Did you realize that you are a champion? When it feel like living's harder than dying. For me, giving up's way harder than trying. Lauryn Hill said her heart was in Zion. I wish her heart still was in rhyming. Cause who the kids gon' listen to? Huh? I guess me if it isn't you. Last week I paid a visit to the institute. They got the dropout, keeping kids in the school. I guess I clean up my act like Prince do. If not for the pledge, at least for the principle. They got the CD, then got to see me drop gems like I dropped out a PE. They used to feel invisible. Now they know they invincible. Did you realize that you are a champion? This is the story of a champion. Runners in the market, they pop the gun. Stand up, here he comes. Tell me what it takes to be number one. Tell me what it takes to be number one. This is the story of a champion. Runners in the market, they pop the gun. Stand up, here he comes. Tell me what it takes to be number one. to the crib. Just